Hello fellow drivers, I'm going to quickly show you how to set your dash cam to keep it from freezing. So first thing, when you get into your menu, make sure you hit the OK button to keep it from recording. Hit your menu button over here. First thing you want to do is make sure that we scroll down to motion detection. Make sure that is turned off. The only time you may want to use that is when you are not in your vehicle, but while you're driving, you want to make sure that is turned off. Second option is your G sensor. You want to make sure that's on low. We recommend low. That'll automatically lock recordings with any accident or large impact or sudden braking. It'll lock that video. So we recommend putting that on low. So those are the two main features that you want to make sure you have set correctly. That way it doesn't fill up your SD card, and then in return it'll end up freezing your dash cam. So change those settings. Want to change those settings as soon as you can. That way your dash cam can operate correctly. Thank you so much for watching.